Jamrock Home. Presents. Best Bunna Man. Jamaican Movie. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic Boss.
Mighty God, look on the hours and that woman don't come home as yet. What she could have do a work them hours here? I tell me granddaughter, you know, say she not gonna come home early and see there? See there? And a matter of fact, you know what? I should call my granddaughter. You see that woman? She no carry a phone and me can get in contact with her. Suppose anything happen to her on the road and me police come all and pull.
Honey. Honey. My sister, we oversleep.
Oh my God, what you saying to me? I oversleep? Oh Jesus, it's night now?
Yes, honey.
Lord have mercy, why you didn't wake me up, Mr. Errol? Jesus Christ, what is going to happen now? You let night catch me? Oh Lord. Anyway, honey, I was well proper fixed. Thank you, you hear me?
Honey, go get ready now.
Yes, but I'm talking to you. I said I was proper fixed and I was waiting on that. You hear me?
Me a tired man, I'm tired of
Lord have mercy. Look for my husband's face now. Look for your face now. Alright, I'm going to get ready because, oh my God, Jeremiah must be upset right now. Jesus Christ.
Honey, me a call a taxi, yeah?
Okay, honey, hurry up. I can't believe that I overslept. My God. Jesus, what has happened here? Jesus.
Jerome, you up on the road? Alright, you're more you do. More you come for yard, come give me a link. More you carry one my wife, yeah?
Oh, Lord.
Yeah man. Just come give me a link right now, you know. Alright.
Mr. Errol?
You ready so fast?
Yes. I could swear I hear you said you must carry home your wife. I like that, you know. Did you say your wife?
Yes, honey, me call the driver.
Okay. Well, I put on your dress. One of the dress that you give me, I did take it out of the suitcase. Look at it, how it look at me.
Look sexy.
Well, this is how I'm going to go home.
So
you think
sure
it is okay?
Your husband go alright with that, honey?
He's not going to be okay, but I feel comfortable wearing something that you bring for me. Oh,
honey,
Lord of mercy. Yes, darling.
Here.
Thank you. You want me to wear about this hat? You sure it don't let me look old-fashioned?
No, man. You can't wear it. Go back home.
All right. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate everything. You hear me?
No problem, honey.
Boy, you look
And
so
thank
tired.
you for coming. I have a wonderful time.
Lord. You know that when you do these things to me, you let me feel very young, you know. Lord have mercy,
So
Mr. Errol.
When you're coming back to look for me?
How do you mean when me coming back? I'm coming back here tomorrow morning bright and early.
Okay.
Bright and early. So tell me something. You didn't come out here to spend the time with me.
Yeah.
So why are you asking me that question?
But through your oversleep, I don't know what your husband
When I go home, I will deal with that. Okay, I don't want you to worry about anything at all. All I want you to worry about is just me and you spending time together and you let me feel as young as ever. You hear me?
Alright, honey.
Oh, Lord. All right, I'm just going to grab the suitcase. You think the driver almost here?
I'm almost reached. You want me to follow you go outside?
All right, come with me. Come with me and take this suitcase. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Pull it out for me, honey.
Alright. Hey, daughter.
Yes, sir.
I'm not hearing you so good. You're breaking up.
Oh dear. You hearing me, grandfather?
Why you won't answer your phone, man? I'm calling you for a while now and it's just going to voicemail.
Grandfather, you don't know how the network is there already. What is wrong? Why are you so upset? What happened?
You know that your grandmother don't come home as yet. She get in contact with you?
No, darling. What you saying to me?
Mighty God.
Seriously, grandfather?
Yes, she don't call me because she leave her phone here on the dresser.
Oh my God. I know it's hours and I know and she don't come home. That is. But you're not supposed to be able to answer till these hours, grandfather.
That's what I am saying. You understand?
Oh my God, I hope
I
not.
didn't-
You know. But take it easy, though, grandfather.
Listen to me, child. I don't even know, sir.
Somebody will call you and tell you.
My granddaughter,
Yes, sweetheart.
I don't even know, sir. I saw the time gone, you know. I was here reading the Bible and when me look up on the clock, I see say after 10 and she don't come home as yet.
Yes, it's late, grandfather. My God. So, grandmother do that. So,
Why?
she leave and don't even try to see if she gets a phone tomorrow and call her to let you know that she's okay.
I only hope she alright, you know, because when she leave this morning, she tell me to prepare dinner, but I didn't think, I thought it was joking, you know, because even you are telling me here, since they say, don't take her serious and see them now,
Yes.
one problem after the other. I only hope she alright, you know.
I pray to God that she's alright. And grandfather, I hope you don't need to stress out yourself, you know. Because she's a big woman and she know that she's a married woman. She should have reached home long time ago cooking dinner.
Exactly.
No.
Exactly. Because she know that she leave her phone. She need to borrow the boss phone to tell me that she alright.
That's what I'm saying, grandfather.
She not call you either.
I don't want you to stress yourself. If anything, you call me and let me know what's happening.
Okay, I hear like she coming up the stairs.
You sure you hear something coming up the stairs?
Yeah, I hear like she coming up the stairs. I'll call you later, if anything.
You see what I'm talking to you about? You bother with the loudness and this kind of behavior what we see you have today, you know. Try calm down and talk.
I will try.
You hear me?
I will try, but my daughter, I will try.
Alright, well, grandfather, I'll talk to you tomorrow later. You hear?
Okay. I only hope she have a good explanation when she come in here tonight, you know. I only hope so. Because it now go end pretty. Look on the hours. After 10. Which days work you stay after 10? From 6 o'clock this morning she leave out of the yard. And look on the hours that she are creeping at the house. After 10.
Lord have mercy. These tears, I can't manage them anymore, you know. Oh, Lord.
We are coming from these hours.
Hi. Good night, my husband. Oh, Lord. I'm so tired. It's so... Oh. Wow, honey. How you doing? How is everything? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that I come home these hours, you know. Time catch up on me. Lord have mercy, honey.
What this you in?
Oh, this dress is Mr. Errol wife buy it for me, man. Mr. Errol and his wife buy it for me.
Mr. Errol, wife buy this for you and here is an elderly lady.
Remember that they are young people, you know. So you have to understand, and they said I should put it on to wear it come up, and you will love to see me in it.
Remember that you're a Christian. This is not a Christian like baby,
Oh
wife.
God. And I said the same thing to them, you know. I tell them
Why you
that
put it on?
because they said I should try it and see how it looks on me. So that's the reason
You
why.
leave in one young girl dress this man and you come back in another one.
Lord have mercy, Jeremiah. I can't take the argument. I just come in and I'm tired, you see. Me say, Lord have mercy. Jeremiah, I walk today, you see. Me say, Jesus, please, I walk like it's the last breath me having on my body. My God, but nobody stress yourself over that.
You
I tell
have
them the
me
same
here
thing.
fretting the whole night in
Oh,
just
no.
don't come off of the phone with the granddaughter.
Why you call her
How far she
granddaughter?
call you?
If I call her,
Yes.
why am I going to call her and not call you? I don't need any conversation with her. I don't want to talk to her.
You leave the phone on the dresser, right?
Lord, yes, and I said I'm sorry. Why you still in argument with me?
We serious time. That's why I have to
I understand, okay? And I told you that I overworked today and time catch up on me. You should be happy that I come in the house if you're in argument with me. I'm not in any argument with you. And by the way, did you get to cook my dinner? I need my dinner. Anyway, I bring a little goodies for you because, tell you what, Mr. Errol said I should give you something for your Christmas. And, Pop, he bought 2 expensive phones for both of us. Here, take this one.
That don't strike me eye.
What do you mean that don't strike your eye?
Strike me eye.
I don't want you to.
I'm upset.
I understand that you are upset, but you should be grateful that somebody remember your name. You're ungrateful, and that's what I don't like about you. Anyway, he brings 2 phones, and he says that they're iPhone. I see Apple on the back of
I don't
it.
care about any phone,
But-
wife. I don't care about that.
You're so ungrateful. Well, if you don't want to see the phone, that's okay. I'll put them here. You know where to find them when you're ready for them, because I know you're going to want them. Anyway, and he give me this $50,000 to do my hair. So I said I'm going to bring us shopping.
What?
You hear? So I'm going to keep this as well right here. You know where
$50,000 to do your hair?
to do my hair, because you know him and his wife said that my hair is too dry, and when I'm coming back there they don't want to see my hair so dry, and every time my hair, you know, they plait up, and they don't like to see my hair plait up.
But my wife, you're alright the way you eat.
No, they said that was.
Why you make them people here transform them, my wife?
They are not transforming me. It's just that they say that it's step up in lifetime. You understand? They said it's modern time and every old people dress in
Why
time.
you lose your soul because of these vanity, you know?
I'm not losing my soul to put myself together, my
You know what the
husband.
Bible say about these things?
Yes,
So why you make them put you in this dress and now you bring $50,000 to do here? That can never right.
what do you mean by I can never write? He said I should put in the hair in the hair that I should put in. His wife said I should put on the one that she have, the one way down to her buttocks. So I said I would try it for my Christmas. What do you think? Why are you getting all so upset? Don't worry yourself. I have something to make you laugh, to let you wear your smile. You hear my baby? Stop doing your face like that. Anyway, he bring me this young girl bag. I love it. You see how it stay? He
Our
said,
granddaughter will love this bag.
which granddaughter you talking about?
When she come here,
Which
I'll give her
granddaughter?
this
Give
bag.
her what? Give it to me. I said this is my bag that Mr. Errol and his wife buy for me. Let it stay here. It's my bag.
What you gonna do with this bag, my
Oh, you
wife?
mean I'm going to wear it on my back just like any other young person? What is wrong with that? If I put it
My
on my
God.
back. Yes, he said I should wear it like this because that's how everybody wearing it. So
Wife?
I'll keep it on my back then.
Getting out of control.
I am not out of control, honey. I'm just moving up with the time. And don't worry yourself, I have goodies for you as well. And he bring this nice bag. I asked him to bring a
Wife?
bag with different colors.
Wife, listen to me. This thing can get out of control.
No, honey.
Listen to me, right? I don't want to see anything more than that.
Why?
Case.
You're
Because
joking.
what I am saying right now, in them turn me in a young girl, they give me not even know what kind of bag that is.
I think it's
Right?
a matey bag.
And you come in dress,
Yes.
and now you say you're gonna do here where a flash down your butter.
Yes, honey. That looks very. Wait, I don't finish it. And he bring this young boy suit.
I don't want anything from them
He said-
because they're not gonna make me lose my soul.
Oh, you mean
I
lose
know
your
what
soul?
the Bible said about these vanity
Yes.
stuff.
I understand.
I will stick to the evil that I know. If
Yes,
you
but-
want to change, it's
I don't-
up to you.
Honey.
Remember, this is an individual thing.
Yes, honey,
Huh.
but sweetheart, where you going? He bring lots of marinas for you, and they're very
I don't
expensive.
want anything from them.
Oh my God! What an ungrateful man! Imagine! People don't normally call his name, and somebody call his name and bring all these goodies for him. And this ungrateful man telling me that he don't want it, and they would bring it, send him his soul to hell. Mighty God of Daniel, what is wrong with this man? Well, if he don't want them, I'll take them, because I don't normally have anybody give me anything. I don't have to show him nothing more. And very soon, you'll be running to me for them. You pretend like want them. Well, okay. Since as you think that I love goodies too much, you should be happy that I come home. You let me feel so bad. After the people them give us the stuff, that you're not even welcome and glad. Say you see me and say, Lord, I'm glad for them. You talk about you don't want them because they will send your soul to hell. Well, alright. I hope you stay downstairs. Don't come back up here.
Ethical lifestyle system, PETRA. Give up and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights we to celebrate. Goodbye world now